Gamitin muna cellphone ni Mommy.
Screen time eh.
Oo. Deote Maho opens the fourth with a 3 and it's down to 14. Oh, 13 rather. Ito namang ng Ilagan Isabela.
Being down by as much as 27. This is the closest they've ever gotten to.
And the Cowboys, remember, they also lost a 17-point advantage in the last game to Malip. J-Boy with a stick back.
Might have been a push on J-Boy, but they let that go, and that was good enough for him to secure that offensive rebound and that second chance opportunity for the steal by the Cowboys.
They get a stop. Solis out to Ramirez. The cut by De La Cruz. Art. TH. Solis. Great passing by the Ilagan Isabela 5-star Cowboys.
Now that's the kind of basketball that you would love to see from the Ilagan Cowboys. Staying patient, finding the least guarded guy, and really just, you know, good finish by Art.
And Dayan airballs the 3. And it's back the other way.
Maganda ng pagkaka-connect ng mga yun. That pass for Art. Give it up to TH. TH gives it back. You know, 3 guys really just showing off on that good action for the Ilagan Cowboys.
Ang maganda dito, hindi sila natawagan ng 3 seconds.
Correct. That was a very close one.
Coco Pingoy unable to finish.
They had an advantage on that foot race. They are right now.
Galangan si Timaho. Ngayon, naatake niya yung depensa ni Art. Uses the crossover. Little dipsy-do there. Ubaldo.
Well, they're getting quality minutes from Ubaldo though.
Yeah, Ubaldo. Parang si John Oduba yung naalala ko dito.
Oo nga, no? Padampot-dampot yung sipag. He's got 9 points already in the game.
Also with 11 rebounds, Ubaldo. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Coco will drive high off the glass and in.
I like that Coco stayed in control right there. Waited for that left lane to open. Saw that hip of the defender, you know, opening up that lane.
And look at the unselfish play from Coco Pingoy, giving it up to Joshua Ramirez, who has yet to score in this ball game. And now he's on the board, Joshua Ramirez.
Getting his teammates involved. Ang ginawa yan ni Coco Pingoy of that good pass. Good pass, rather.
The tap to Tumalip. Here comes TH. Joshua for 3. No. Art De La Cruz able to score underneath.
Finding the open man. Taking the open shot. Getting the offensive tip. Getting a good finish of that second chance opportunity for Ilagan.
The fast break of the game is brought to you by Extreme Cool Air Conditioners. Ang Extreme Magpalamig. Free installation for split type air conditioners. You gotta like that effort. And that play, galing kay Coco Pingoy. The 5-star Cowboys are ahead by 21. Timeout muna tayo. Art De La Cruz, 16.7 rebounds and 8 assists so far in this ball game, closing in on a triple-double.
He's been doing it, you know, kind of like how he's been all season long, Art De La Cruz. And he's getting a lot of help from the other guys. AJ Miranda, Dennis Santos, Coco Pingoy, and J-Boy Solis. All these guys having double-digit output so far.
Coach Mark Dandan and Muntinlupa Cagers. They are preparing for that duel with Basilan Star Horse mamaya lang yan. After this ball game. 3-pointer galing kay Yutok. Misses this time. Rebound ni Alan Santos. AJ Miranda to Dondon Gumaru for 3. And this is more like Ilagan basketball.
Agree. Yan yung nakikita nating tipo ng basketball sa Ilagan Cowboys to start the season. Everything starting on the defensive end, getting those defensive rebounds, trying to see if they have fast breaks. Yun talaga yung identity nila.
De La Cruz against Ubaldo. There's a double team. Alan Santos.
What a find.
To Malip for 3. Finally for TH.
Ganda ng basa rin ni Art De La Cruz na nakikita niya yung double on the top side.
Yeah, another steal here. Here comes TH. Bigay kay Ajem. The five-star Cowboys finishing strong here.
28 assists and 26 fast break points para dito sa Ilagan Cowboys. This is so much better activity for them. And it starts off on the defensive end.
Tumalip has been all over the floor in this ball game, only with 7 points. Pero alam mong yung impact ni TH goes on both ends of the floor.
Agree. And so far, in the last 6 games of Ilagan, this is the most assists that they've gotten. 28 assists.
There's a whistle here, and they will stop the play. 29 compared to 8 for Marikina. Escoto, I think inadvertent yung pagtama kay Escoto.
It sure looked like it. Just happened to be, hindi naman sinasadya. Inadvertent talaga.
Yun. Nandun siya sakto sa landingan ng kamay ni Art.
Minsan mahirap pag maliit ka tapos nasa loob ka.
Kaya ako, hindi na ako nagde-defense. Shoot ka na lang, okay na ako.
Pass, break, and 3 na lang.
Oo, shoot din ako sa kabila. Yun na lang.
Pitch ahead palagi.
Cherry picking.
Yes.
Timaho drives. And foul on Dondon Gumaru.
Well, in as much as, you know, itong Marikina, ganda ng tinakbo ng third quarter where they scored 30 points. They just can't be too dependent on Deo Timaho and JU. Some other guys got to help out. And Obaldo has done his thing. Escoto has did his part in the first quarter. Pero so far, dito sa fourth quarter, lalo na. Halos yung dalawa lang ang kumakamada.
Free throw games brought to you by Shio Appliances at Subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
Pinakamalapit na naibaba nila, parang 13 points yata.
Yeah, started the fourth.
Yeah.
And it's now back to 27. Dennis Santos will go to Art De La Cruz. Sean Bautista is in the game for the first time.
Yun ang problema pag tinigil mo talaga yung backdoor mo, lalo na yung baseline basket cut. That is automatic turnover. And Alan Santos thought that Art was going to go to that spot on the floor, but he didn't.
Timaho, masyadong malakas. Rebound ni Dennis. Dondon, back to Art. Art, dire-diretso si Art De La Cruz.
Just a good cut right there by Art De La Cruz. And just straight up, down the gut.
It's pretty hard to stop. To si Art De La Cruz when he's at full stride. 20 points, 8 rebounds, 8 assists. And 3 steals for Art De La Cruz. R.R. Casajeros. And gets it to drop plus the foul.
First made field goal para kay RR yan. See this drive right here. Understood, I don't have an open teammate. I gotta be the one to attack this down the cup.
And really outstanding performances so far from the Cowboys here. There's Agent Miranda with 17 points. Dennis Santos is on a double-double with 10 points and 11 rebounds. Coco Pingoy has 14. And J-Boy Solis with 11 points and 4 assists. Dondon Gumaru could not convert. Yutok for 3. Mark Dyke with a rebound. 6 points and 5 rebounds for Mark Dyke. Look at the pass. Ooh! Kala ko diretso ni Dennis Santos yun.
Ang ganda ng galawan, lalo na on that cut by Dennis Santos. The moment that you have Art De La Cruz right around that nail area, you gotta cut. He primarily is a good assist guy that finds his open teammates.
I like what Coach Louis did in this ball game. Parang mahigpit yung rotation, when a few things are not working, may adjustments agad. It's really a more ruthless and unforgiving rotation para sa kanya.
I definitely agree on that. And really just I guess that intent to be finishing so much better than how they did in their last game. Ito, Anspo ito. Dondon Gumaro getting clipped on his way.
Is it an Anspo?
Yeah.
Yes.
About review, what's going to like now? Number 3, Jamie Europe is turning.
They so far have 95 points, speaking of the Cowboys.
Yeah, we still have 4 minutes remaining here.
The highest score that they've gotten, except for that 123 game against Manila, was 98 against Imus.
2 free throws for Don Gumaro plus ball possession.
This should be, if Dondon hits here, that should be 10 assists for Art De La Cruz.
And that'll be just a couple more rebounds away from a triple-double. Itong si Art De La Cruz.
Pero pinahingayan na siya dito, no? Pinasok na for the first time si Ryan Arenal.
Steven Codal.
And Steven Codal has also been inserted into the game for Carl Peñano. I haven't mentioned Carl Peñano's name a lot in this ball game.
I hasn't seen so much action actually.
Sean Bautista. Dennis Santos. Oh, he backs in the 3.
Everything just falling right now for the 5-star Cowboys. Now, you remember that time na yung alternate win-loss yung Ilagan? Ito halos yung mga nagiging numero nila, no?
Oo nga.
Number 10, Sean Bautista is second.
It's gonna be a Sean. And the thing about those Cowboys in the alternating wins and losses, puro close game yung mga losses nila, no? 4-point loss to Pasay, 2-point loss to Pangasinan, 5-point loss to Pampanga, 1-point loss to Zamboanga. Well, these alternating wins and losses, hopefully bumalik sa ganung pagkakataon para dito sa Ilagan, pero more streaks of wins naman.
Bonifacio.
That should stay with Marikina.
And I think they're aware that Art is 2 rebounds away from a triple-double. No, that's 1 rebound. It's 9 rebounds para kay Art De La Cruz. Bautista is blocked. 99-70. Zabale. Dondon Gumaro is coming back. Arenal. Art, masyadong malakas yung pasa na yon.
Yeah, lakas naman ng pasa na yun. Was too loud. Dennis was trying his best to sprint down the floor. Pero hindi talaga inabot yung pasa na ni Art.
$99-70. Silas. Inside the paint over Sean Bautista.
But this still is relatively a pretty good output of a quarter for Marikina. It's just that so much better field goal makes para dito sa Iligan Cowboys. And the defense has not been able to stop the scoring of the Cowboys.
Casajeros could not convert. Rebound ni Gumaro. 101-72. Art de la Cruz. It's his own miss. And he puts it back in. That is the first time in this history na nakita ko dito sa kakakover ko sa MPBL na kumuha ng rebound. Pan-triple-double.
Pan-triple-double nga.
Buti na lang shoot yung tip in. 23 points, 10 rebounds, and 10 assists for Art de la Cruz. And Dennis Santos also with an outstanding game. He knew where it was falling, and
that's just knowing your numbers, though. Parang hirap doon, naglalaro
sabihin
pa.
ko sa kanya, Art, hindi ka naman masyado stats conscious pala, no?
Alam.
So, 23 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists, 0 turnovers, and 3 steals. And a plus 31 on the floor para kay Art de la Cruz.
And a 39 on...
Oh, Sean Bautista gets away. No call. Konting gigil si Sean dun, It's number 4 on Sean Bautista.
Nakita mo sila, Sean in the very limited minutes he's playing, he is still getting coached by Coach Mixon, giving him tips. Because for all you know, down the line, shooter to si Sean Bautista.
Yeah.
There might be games, especially in special situations that you are gonna need his shooting from the outside.
Dorio and Buraga are in the game.
Ayun pa, yung dalawang yan.
Homegrown standouts ng 5-star Cowboys. Arenal.
Adorio nakaabang na sa kabila.
Uy, turnover. This is the Gixxer great move of the game. Born for greatness.
Pass to himself with that rebound and that basket. 1 rebound, 2 points in 1 go.
Oh. And that will do it para kay Sean.
He's done.
Sean Bautista 5 fouls. Those were the minutes for Sean Bautista.
Pero kita mo sa ni Coach Louie, there is that certain level of at least satisfaction in how the Iligan Cowboys played today, but he does understand there is still going to be work to be done.
Yeah, they will face Caloocan next week. They are going to be the appetizer to that Abra San Juan duel.
Oh yes. And that game is going to be very important, that Abra versus San Juan, because the team that wins that match could get a shot at number 1.
Well, medyo may gulo pang mangyayari dyan. May complications pa sa ating team standings. Buraga gets the recovery. Ramirez for 3. He knocks it down. Always ready to shoot. Ito si Josh Ramirez.
Yeah, always.
May foul na naman dito.
Number 25,
106-77.
32, Rich Luciano.
And I'm very satisfied as well na nagbumalik na yung dating Iligan Isabela Cowboys na nawawala nung ilang game.
Correct. This is their highest output so far in the last 13 games. 106. This is their best rebounding game as well.
Oh, the flying A!
Naglundagan yung buong bench.
Yeah. That's the flying A, Aldrin Adorio. Nasa magic carpet lang. Ito si Alanadorio. And you see the reaction. I think this is a badly needed win. No, not just on the win column para dito sa Ilagan, but for the team's morale, for everything that they stand for dito sa liga natin. Ito Ilagan Isabela Cowboys.
Agree. And this is the second time that they've gotten just 12 turnovers